This is a new laptop. First, I had like 3 different blue screens. What is going on? And these two are will restart for what? That's not even what? Oh Jesus Christ. How many more times does this have to happen? There was like a beeping sound and then it just went black. Now it's doing this. Oh dear. ACPI.sys. What's that? Anyway, you get the point that this is gonna go on for like ages. So, yeah. RIP.